The nation's 45th president and Republican frontrunner took the stand today in his civil fraud trial in New York. It is a case that puts the survival of his real estate business at stake. Under oath on the witness stand, Trump blasted the judge, attacked the prosecutors, and railed against the whole case, claiming it was politically motivated. My colleague Laura Jarrett has all the details.
Tonight, a combative Donald Trump testifying for hours in a Manhattan courtroom with his real estate empire on the line.
This trial is ridiculous.
Mr. Trump showing flashes of anger as he sparred with the judge and the New York Attorney General's office, brushing off accusations that he doctored financial statements to inflate the value of some of his most well-known properties, like Mar-a-Lago, Trump Tower, and 40 Wall Street, all to defraud banks and lenders.
But at the end of the day, the only thing that matters are the facts and the numbers. And numbers, my friends, don't lie.
Already found liable for fraud, the former president now trying to fend off a $250 million penalty, growing heated today when pressed about whether he overvalued assets found in the Trump Organization's annual financial statements. His face turning red, raising his voice, pointing directly at the judge seated inches away, yelling, "He called me a fraud, and he didn't know anything about me." A reference to the judge's pretrial decision that ruled in the state's favor. Also going after the Attorney General herself, watching on in the courtroom, Mr. Trump calling her a political hack.
I will not be bullied. I will not be harassed. This case will go on.
And Mr. Trump did make some concessions, admitting today he probably saw some of the disputed financial statements that went to banks and lenders, while repeatedly dismissing them as not important because they included certain disclaimers, saying today that his net worth is actually far greater than what's reflected in his financial statements, touting the value of the Trump brand.
The numbers are much greater than on the financial statement. We've already proven that. They said Mar-a-Lago is worth $18 million. Mar-a-Lago is worth anywhere from probably 50 to 100 times more than that.
The judge's patience tested at times by that same rhetoric on the witness stand, calling parts of Mr. Trump's testimony irrelevant and rambling, warning the Republican frontrunner this is not a political rally.
Trump's eldest daughter, Ivanka Trump, is expected to testify on Wednesday.